Fix in 5. Got AP0415? Let's break it down, what it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. Ignore it long enough, and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated, possible rough idle, potential increased emissions, vehicle may operate normally despite fault. Now the most likely causes. Secondary air injection switching valve A circuit open or shorted. Faulty secondary air injection pump valve. Wiring harness damage or poor connections. Engine control module, ECM, malfunction. Vacuum leak in secondary air injection system. Here's how a pro pins it down. Q. How to fix it. Scan vehicle with OBD-II diagnostic scanner to confirm code P0415. Inspect secondary air injection switching valve A for proper operation. Check wiring harness and connectors for damage or corrosion. Test secondary air injection pump circuit voltage and continuity. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly 45 to 120 euros doing it yourself, or 165 to 240 euros at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, will P0415 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0415 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0415. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.